how's it going? It's Samantha, Thrifty Finds on a Dime Boutique. And if you're new here, I resell things online as well as locally. So if you like this kind of content and you would like some information of how you could possibly get started making part-time, full-time, or maybe some vacation cash, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it for some more great content. It helps me tremendously, and I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers and anybody who's watching this video. So today I just want to do a quick breakdown of how I do shipping. I honestly kind of contemplated doing a video like this for a while now because I was like, there's so many out there, are people really going to want to watch mine? Then I thought about it, and every video that I've watched, I've learned one new thing from that I can implement into my business. So I figured if I can learn something, everybody else can learn something new from me, and I have, I think, a tip that I haven't seen used yet. So I just want to share that one as far as how I ship shoes and breakable type items. So stay tuned, guys. I'm really excited to have you guys come shipping with me today. I had a pretty good sales day on Poshmark for Monday and Tuesday, which is not normal for me. That's normally like a weekend type sales day. So I am going to do that video today. But if you would like a what sold video and like a breakdown of what I have sold for the week, month, whatever it is on Poshmark, Mercari, or separately, make sure you put that in the comments below because I would love to make more videos for you guys. I'm just not quite sure what kind of content you would like to see from me. So again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and here goes nothing. Alright, so let me just start off by saying that USPS.com as well as Poshmark, Mercari have not sponsored this video. This is me just sharing my everyday shipping routine with you guys, as well as where I get my materials and stuff. So let me start with the free materials from USPS.com that I use quite frequently. The poly mailers, bubble wrap ones are amazing. I use those for tons of items, as well as padding for shoes and stuff that I'm shipping. And then I also love these kind of boxes that you can just easily peel and stick together. Those are really nice. They have quite a few sizes in those, so make sure you check out the sizes that they give you. And then also these poly mailers are amazing. They're very flexible and durable. I get them usually by the hundreds, as well as the poly mailers too, because I use those up a lot. And then for Mercari and like eBay, I will use a plain poly mailer. That's durable, you know, and all you have to do is just peel off the sticky thing and slap it on. And then free materials. Free materials are awesome. You get to reuse things, reduce the amount of trash that's going out, and it's just amazing, and it's free to you. So this is just one expense that you can save on. And there are many ways to get free things. I am a nurse, so we go through a lot of boxes at the nursing homes, and I will, you know, go around and I'll collect boxes there. Also, check your area for laws. You can dumpster dive. You may also want to check with the businesses just to make sure they're okay with it, because you definitely don't want to step on anyone's toes. But dumpster diving is a great one. A, you can find stuff to sell, and B, you can find stuff to pack your materials with for free. So don't go out and buy just yet. Make sure you're checking around for free items first. Next, after gathering all my shipping supplies, what I will do is I will gather all my items that sold, and these are the items that have sold for the last couple days. I did ship a few out already, so it's not everything. And then I also have my labels printed off. I have a Dymo 4XL. I will insert a picture of what I use. I love it. I got it for Christmas a year ago, and I can say that it has improved my shipping tremendously. I know some people are like, I just want to keep using my printer, and that's totally fine. But once you upgrade, and you'll see how much time and ink and stuff you're saving, it's well worth it in the end. Especially when you're doing, you know, 3 to 5 average sales a day, even more, those build up. So if you're not shipping every day, you know, you could have 20 sales to ship in one day, and that's a lot if you have to cut out the piece of paper or take out, I know some people use the free USPS stickers, so you're putting one individual one in every single time. I get it. You want to save money. It makes sense. But in the long run, upgrading to a thermal printer is really what's going to save you money. It's going to save you time. It's going to save you ink. It's going to save you all of that. So look into it, guys. It's just definitely something that's well worth your money, and it's well worth even just looking into. So Always looking for ways to improve your business, ways to shave off a few seconds of taking pictures, listing, shipping, whatever it is, especially if you don't have somebody else that's there helping you with your business. Because yeah, it may be something as easy as taking pictures, but when you're doing everything such as listing, taking the measurements, inventory, responding to customers, updating your closet, that all is time consuming, so it's taking away from your time. You need to shave off any area that you can to be more productive in the end. So let's go ahead and watch me ship a few packages. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up for you guys so that you can kind of get a gist of how I do things. Thanks again. As far as shipping, just to keep them protected, with Poshmark, since they always allow priority shipping, I get the priority mail ship padded flat rate, and I will tuck the shoes nicely in there, kind of like a shoe box. So one goes in one way and the other one goes in the opposite way. If these are heels, I would bag them separately so that the heel would not hit the other heel of the shoe, to kind of keep it protected. These are a little bit bigger size, so it's kind of, these are a size 10, I believe. But yeah, so you just kind of set them in there opposite ways, and then this keeps them protected while they're in the box. Because I wouldn't ship them just in the poly mailer, they may get damaged. Sometimes USPS can be kind of rough with packages, so I will put together this box. Typical day looks like shipping, minus my Dymo decided it wanted to act funky. Apparently when I upgraded to Windows 10, my Dymo USB is now not registering, so I'm gonna have to reinstall that program and figure that out. But if I didn't run into that, the shipping would have went a lot faster. What I like to do also is I have everything bagged and inventoried and ready to go. What I mean by that is I've already checked over the item 2-3 times, not just once, lint rolled, folded it nicely, bagged it nicely, insert a card, and then it's ready to go. So when you pull it out, you just got to put it inside the shipping material and then get the label on it and ship it out. And I have found that has sped up my shipping routine tremendously. I'm so thankful that I decided, to go ahead with this one day. It was very stressful switching over from hanging everything to inventorying, because along with doing that, I was still getting new inventory in, so it was kind of like a never-ending process, it felt like. But I got there, and I'm super thankful that I did. So it's bagged, it's ready to pull out, stick it in the shipping material, and get it out. That's all I do. Also, something that I do differently that I did break down for you was the poly mailers, the bubble ones, is use those with shoes. I also use those with breakable things. So like if a purse has something that's breakable on it, or if you've got jewelry that you're shipping on Poshmark. Since it is priority, you can get those free bubble mailers, and you can ship it for free. Also, if you did notice, I like to size my packages as small as possible. So I will flip them over, and get rid of some of that extra bag that is attached to it, since the item is smaller than the bag. It just really depends on the item. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it. And all I got to say is that I appreciate you all so much, and it really has helped me a lot, and inspiring you guys has also helped me as well. So I hope I inspire you, and I hope that you're out there getting some work done and really reaching your full potentials. Thank you guys. Have a great day.